All right, today we're going to be reviewing this Ninja Fit blender. It's a great at-home blender. I'm going to show you guys how it works. So it comes with this cup right here. You can fill up to 16 ounces. And then the blade, this blade is very sharp, so be careful with it. And then the thing that actually will blend it all up. So I'm going to throw some bananas, strawberry, and some milk in here. Whoops. All right, let's go. Whoop, okay, a little bit of a mess, but we'll put some milk in there, make a little smoothie. So I'll show you guys how easy this is to use. So we're going to, yep. And then all you got to do is push down inside this. It is pretty loud. This does plug in too, so you're going to need to plug this into an outlet. And then, yeah, let's see. So you don't even need to hold it down that long either. So you can see, comes out very easy. Nice little banana strawberry smoothie I got right there. You could drink right out of this cup or pour it into another cup. And this cup you could throw in the dishwasher too. So yeah, that's a review. Great to make shakes, smoothies. Delicious.